Solid rain. What is solid rain? Components: potassium and water. Potassium accumulates that absorb up to 500 times its weight in water, resulting in a super hydration gel.
Who created? Sergio Enrico Velasco is the most important scientist in Mexico of all the time. He is a chemical engineer and founder of the water silos company. At the time, he presented his invention to several institutions and explained the benefits of its use in crop. However, he didn't get support from these institutions. Some countries have commercialized their invention, among which stand out: in Spain, India, Colombia, Guatemala, Honduras, Ecuador, Portugal, Dubai, and United States.
What it is for? These serve to combat drought and therefore hunger, poverty, and migration. Advantage: each element don't pollute the air. It's also used in flower and small garden and maintain the humidity. Disadvantage: its price is very high, lasts at 10 years.
How does it work? This powder expands in contact with water, solidifies it and maintains humidity up to 40 years.